Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you my 2020 Mk7 Gli. So we'll start off first with everything that I've done in here. First we have a CTS intake paired to a Vortex XL turbo, catless downpipe, port injection with the sensors, APR intercooler as well. Well, let's do that. Now this car is paired with a tune from GLS Performance using Simos tools. Now you can't see, but under the seat there is a EQT brushless low pressure fuel pump. Suspension wise, this car is using the Airlift 3P system.